To effectively manage models throughout their life cycle, it is essential to efficiently update and track all information related to the models, thereby enabling seamless collaboration between model development and validation teams. In this video, we show how a model developer updates all required model information and documentation to support a rigorous model validation effort. In this workflow, the various phases of the lifecycle are presented at the top. For this video, our primary focus will be on the model development and validation phase. Let's assume that a model developer needs to update model details as part of the model development phase. We can click on the Update Model Details step in the workflow. And this gives access to the model inventory for this specific model. We can now navigate to the Theoretical Foundation section to add, for example, assumptions that are relevant for this model. And now the selected assumption appears. We could do the same for model limitations and mitigating controls. As a next step, the model developer may perform some other tasks such as updating KPIs or including test results in the model documentation. Finally, model documentation can be generated that captures all the necessary information. Here, the model developer utilizes a standardized and pre-selected model development template to ensure alignment with internal documentation standards. A document title can be added, after which the generation of the model documentation can be initiated. The document has been successfully generated and is ready for submission by the model developer to the validation team. In this step, the model developer submits the model for validation. The initial validation process can now commence, with the model validator proceeding through various steps, which may include checking model details, determining the final model tier, issuing a fit-for-purpose statement, and registering validation findings. The final model tier is confirmed. And also, the fit-for-purpose statement together with the model validation document is submitted by the model validator. The model validator can also register validation findings, and in this scenario, we notice that a documentation gap of low severity was created. Upon the completion of all necessary validation steps, the validation process can be concluded by seeking final approval from the relevant stakeholder. With both the model development and validation steps now finished, we can go to the model inventory. And as we access the relevant PD model, we can observe that all events and information have been dynamically captured over time. The tier has been assessed. The initial validation has been performed. And when delving into the initial validation, we can observe the approval step together with the findings that were raised during this validation process.